Today we will finish processing the slab wood. The third piece turned out to be a bit thicker than all the others, with a side equal to 30 centimeters. The most successful option would probably be to make a natural edge bowl out of it. That's what we'll do. Just like last time, we make an intermediate tenon, with the help of which we will turn the bottom of the bowl and conveniently make the main tenon. I finished turning the outside using a Negative Rake Scraper and sand with 120 grit. Moving on to the inside, I remove the waste wood and make a wall thickness of a little over 1 centimeter or half an inch. Just as with the outside, I go over the surface with a Negative Rake Scraper and sand everything with 120 grit. I cover the surface with linseed oil. After the inside surface is ready, we'll return to the outside. I'll remove the tenon and cover everything with linseed oil. It turned out to be a beautiful natural edge bowl, which will work well for both candies and fruit. In the end, after processing the free slab wood, I got 3 wonderful pieces that will successfully fit into any interior and bring value to their owner.